challenge was to facilitate student engagement and participation, whilst also gaining insight into student learning behaviours in order to achieve better outcomes. One pathway to achieve these goals was through Echo360 Active Learning Platform. So Echo360 is a service that integrates personal and classroom video capture, student engagement tools such as note-taking, flagging confusing content, and being able to use that material for future revision, and it's an analytic tool to maximise student participation and engagement throughout the course. So at its most basic, Echo360 allows students to stream or download recordings of lectures after classes in their own time. They can take notes while viewing presentations and refer to them anytime for revision through their course site and study guide tab. So it facilitates in-class engagement and participation through interactive activities such as polls and quizzes, activity slides, question and answer discussion spaces, which are very useful, and the tool supports flipped classrooms. Echo360 provides me with insight into student learning behaviours, such as watching videos, reviewing content, asking questions and taking notes. Alone, these activities are meaningless single data points, but together they establish patterns of risk and opportunity that I can respond to in real time. Your learning and teaching consultant can suggest ways to optimise the use of Echo360 Active Learning Platform for your teaching practices. I found their assistance invaluable.